Okay, so okay, last thing, the arms. Again, my figure is a stylized figure, is 8 heads tall. So I with my arm proportions also slightly bit stylized. Normal arm length is about 3.5, and mine is going to be 4 heads. So let's see. When you guys draw, make sure you draw back and forth, left to right, left, and don't just copy one. Just copy outline kind of all the way down. You have to go work from left to right. So thinking about shapes, thinking about form. Okay. So what I did here is no matter how you want to elongate your arms, okay, but a couple things you want to keep in mind. It's your elbow right there. It has to be about where the bottom rib cage is. As a matter of fact, if you do this, your elbow gonna hit where the corner, the bottom rib cage. No matter how long you want to stretch your forearm, okay, but at the end of the day, that wrist needs to be about next to that greater canter, okay. So it needs to be about right there, okay. So it can a little bit lower, it's fine, just not too not too low off that greater canter. So I can just build this. The trapezius, deltoid. See, center line is very important. It goes right to this round shape of the thumb muscle right in here. So, right. Let's see. So I say my arm is about forehead. Oops. That's why I need to stand back and always check your proportions. So if you take the head, okay, you can see from the shoulder, from the shoulder down, one head, two head. My third head should be about my wrist. My fourth head should be over the hand itself. Again, this is a stylised proportion. Usually a hand is not really go all the way up to your head. It's about go to your hairline. But like I said, you can elongate it. It looks better. Two, third head, and fourth head. So how many heads do we have here? Let's take a look. So let's go back one head right here. So I'm going to use a black contact so you can see better. So one head. Second head should be right at your chest line. Third head should be about your belly button. Fourth head should be right about your crotch. And then that also is the midpoint. It's the midpoint. I'm going to write it here again. The midpoint of your figure. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, and 8. Right where the heel is. 5, 6, 7, and 8.